The Rainy Night. Once upon a time, in a world painted with all the colours of the rainbow, a gentle rain began to fall. It danced on rooftops and whispered through the leaves. But this was no ordinary night. It was a special, magical rainy night. In a little house, nestled snugly between the tallest trees, lived a family of furry rabbits. There was Mama Rabbit, Papa Rabbit, and their 3 little bunnies, Hoppy, Floppy, and Poppy. As the rain started to fall, Hoppy, Floppy, and Poppy pressed their noses against the window, their eyes wide with wonder. "What's happening, Mama?" asked Hoppy, his tiny ears twitching with curiosity. Mama Rabbit smiled, her eyes twinkling like 2 shiny pebbles. "It's the rainy night," she said, her voice soft as a feather. "The night when the sky tells us stories." And so, under the warm glow of the fire, Mama Rabbit began to tell the tale of the rainy night. She spoke of how the rain was the sky's way of singing lullabies to the earth, how each drop was a note in a beautiful song. The rain helped the flowers grow, she explained, making them bloom in delightful bursts of colour. It filled the rivers and streams, giving the fish a place to swim and play. She told them about the little creatures that loved the rain, the snails who loved to slide along the wet ground, the frogs who loved to hop in the puddles, the earthworms who loved how the rain softened the soil, making it easier for them to wiggle through. As Mama Rabbit spoke, the room filled with a sense of calm and comfort. The sound of the rain outside became a soothing symphony, a gentle lullaby that echoed Mama Rabbit's stories. Soon, Hoppy, Floppy, and Poppy began to yawn. Their eyelids felt heavy, but they wanted to hear more. So Mama Rabbit told how the rainy night was also a time for rest and dreams. "It's when the world slows down," she said, "and we all get ready to sleep. The rain is our blanket of sound, wrapping us in its gentle rhythm." With that, Hoppy, Floppy, and Poppy crawled into their cozy bed. Mama Rabbit tucked them in, kissing each little forehead. "Good night, my little bunnies," she whispered. "Let the rain sing you to sleep." As the bunnies closed their eyes, they could hear the soft pitter-patter of the rain against the window. It was like a lullaby, peaceful and comforting. With the sound of the rain in their ears and Mama Rabbit's stories in their hearts, they drifted off to sleep, ready to dream of rainbows and puddles, frogs and snails, and the magical rainy night. Now, as you close your eyes tonight, listen to the song of the rain. Let it lull you into a peaceful sleep, filled with sweet dreams and the promise of a new day. Good night, Sleepy Sprout.